Hi all, this is Venkatesh. Welcome to Tech Tip of the Day. Today we are looking at simple VBA code which can help us unhiding all the hidden sheet in a workbook. Let's jump in. So here I have some simple code which can be used. First thing for a new user, so just click on record macro to enable personal macro workbook. So if you don't have a developer ribbon, you can click on macro record button at the bottom of the Excel workbook. Again, it brings back to same window. You can just say OK. In my case, I already have enabled it. So all I need to do is either click on Visual Basics or Alt F11 to go to macro window. So now I will just copy this code, paste it. So save the code, go to more command drop down, change it to macros, select the code, unhide multiple sheets, change the icon. So whatever you like it, say OK. So now let me hide these sheets. If I click on this button, this unhides all my sheets in a one single go. If not in regular, you end up say unhiding sheet by sheet. So that takes longer time. So especially if you have a more working sheets and you want to unhide all, so that's a big task. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Watch out this space for more such videos. Thank you.